I will say the good thing that I've seen as a change, and I've been a part of brands that are like this, is there are brands whose foundation is on being who you are and being the
Thank
best.
God.
And I have seen that happen over time. Brands I've recently worked with have been like that as well. And they really worked hard to give that message. And I have to say, everyone came in every shape, size, ethnicity. It was amazing. That is the part of that brand that I loved so very much, is that they really did practice what they preached when it came to that. And I'm seeing smaller brands come up in the ranks that are being birthed on that platform. And again, like that to me is progress, right? Like I'm seeing that and I loved being a part of that. And for anything in future, that is something that I look for because I've done those conversations as well. And it hurt knowing how I felt and knowing what my background, like I literally, you might as well just pull my heart right out and throw it on the floor.
It wasn't easy.
No, and I wouldn't do it. There was times when I just said, no, I'm not doing it. You